Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DaVinci Resolve preferences and custom node presets. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Navigate to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolve. In the drop-down menu, select Preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, find the User tab. Click on the User tab to access your user settings. Look for the Project Save and Load section. Here, you will see the option to select your preference for saving projects. To backup your preferences, locate the Save Preferences button. Click on this button to save your settings to a specific location. Choose a folder where you want to save the backup. Make sure to remember this location for future access. Next, we will move on to backing up custom node presets. Open the Workspace menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Color Management. Then click on Node Presets in the submenu. This will display your custom node presets. To back them up, go to the Presets folder on your system. The path varies based on your operating system. For Windows, it's located in the Users folder, under Documents and DaVinci Resolve. For macOS, find it in Users, then your username, and finally Documents and DaVinci Resolve. Inside the Presets folder, locate the files for your custom node presets. Select the files you want to backup. Copy these files to the folder you previously designated for backups. Ensure that you regularly backup these files to prevent data loss. To verify your backup, check the folder to confirm all files are there. Once confirmed, you can close DaVinci Resolve. Now you've successfully backed up your preferences and custom node presets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.